Welcome back to Code and Conquer Daily, where we solve a new LeetCode problem every single day. If this helps you out, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss tomorrow's solution. Today we're tackling problem number 3312, sorted GCD pair queries. LeetCode problem number 3312, sorted GCD pair queries. You are given an integer array nums of length n and an integer array queries. Let GCDPairs denote an array obtained by calculating the GCD of all possible pairs, nums I, nums j, where 0 equals I less than j less than n, and then sorting these values in ascending order. For each queries I, you need to find the element at index queries I in GCDPairs. Return an integer array answer, where answer I is the value at GCDPairs queries I for each query. For example, given nums equals 2, 3, 4, queries equals 0, 2, 2, the expected output is 1, 2, 2. To solve this problem using a brute force approach, we can calculate the GCD of all possible pairs of numbers in the nums array. Then sort these values in ascending order, and finally find the element at each query index in the sorted array. However, this approach would have a time complexity of n squared log n due to the sorting, where n is the length of the nums array. The complexity here is n squared log n. A more efficient approach is to use a hash table to store the GCD of each pair of numbers and their corresponding indices. Then sort the indices based on the GCD values, and finally find the element at each query index in the sorted array. This approach would have a time complexity of n squared, where n is the length of the nums array. The complexity here is n squared. Now let's implement the optimal solution in C++. I'll write it out step by step so you can follow along. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give the video a like, share it with someone who's learning, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss tomorrow's LeetCode solution. See you in the next one.